Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hey everyone! Today, I'm drawing a group of cute animals, step by step. Let's get started. First, I draw a few lines to set the layout. We start with the deer. I draw its eyes, nose, and ears. Now I move on to the giraffe.
Whoa!
I draw its body. Add some spots, and don't forget its tail. Next, I draw a cat, and of course, cats love to say meow.
Nice. Wow.
Now I draw a turtle. It has a strong shell, just like a shield. And finally, I draw an owl. Owls have big, round eyes and a wise look. The drawing is done. Now it's time to color. I start with the deer. Its body is brown. Its mouth is pink, and its ears and nose are red.
Nice.
Next, I color the giraffe. Its body is with yellow spots and yellow hair. Our giraffe is all dressed up now. Let's move to the cat. I color it yellow. A pink nose and pink ears. Now for the turtle. Its body is green.